What happens if my RPM goes into red? When the RPM, revolutions per minute needle enters the red zone on the tachometer, it indicates that the engine is operating at a dangerously high speed. Here's what can happen. 1. Overrevving. The engine components, such as pistons, rods, and valves, may begin to experience excessive stress. This can lead to mechanical failure. 2. Potential damage. If the engine is allowed to operate in the red zone for an extended period, it can cause severe damage, including piston damage. Pistons can crack or break. Rod failure. Connecting rods can bend or snap, leading to catastrophic engine failure. Valve damage. Valves may float, leading to a loss of synchronization with the pistons, which can cause them to hit each other. 3. Oil starvation. At high RPMs, the oil may not be able to circulate properly, leading to insufficient lubrication and increased wear. 4. Engine overheating. Higher RPMs can cause the engine to generate more heat, potentially leading to overheating. 5. Possible engine shutdown. In modern vehicles, electronic control systems may limit power or shut down the engine to prevent damage if the RPM exceeds a certain threshold. In summary, while a brief spike into the red zone might not immediately break the engine, prolonged operation at high RPMs can lead to significant and potentially catastrophic damage. It's essential to avoid revving the engine into the red zone to ensure its longevity and performance. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching.